When you found out the playoff path, Bosnia first of all, and then potentially, hopefully, Northern Ireland or Italy. But in terms of Bosnia, how did you react when you saw that we had them? Because they had a brilliant campaign.
Yeah, definitely, and a really good team. I got to be honest, when I looked at the pot that we could get, they were all difficult. Kosovo were difficult, Albania were difficult, Republic of Ireland, we know what that can be. It all looked difficult, I have to be honest. But being at home gives you that little bit of, okay, that helps. But then when, going through Bosnia's games and all that, and their qualifying campaign, they're a well-organised team. They're a good team. I expect them to be a good team. They were very unlucky not to qualify from their group. They feel very disappointed they didn't. But then there's times I feel I do. I feel a little bit, we could have qualified here. We didn't. The best team, because they finished first, ended up doing it. And that's the same case that happened to them. So they're like us, really. They want to prove a point. They'll probably feel like us do as well, that we can get to this. So yeah, to me it was looking at that, then Italy, Northern Ireland, they got drawn, then it was so important. Then what's the next, like, where's that next game going to be? And then when it came out to us, then it was like, now we got to take care of Bosnia, because us playing at home, if we get to the final, is a huge advantage again.
In terms of the potential group that we would have if we were to get there, your thoughts?
Yeah, I see it. Listen, I feel all of us now, like Northern Ireland, Italy, Bosnia, ourselves, we'll look at that if we go into it as an opportunity to be able to get out of. And I don't see that any different. I feel all four of us will definitely have that feeling.